Welcome to this edition of the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. We're now looking at a significant severe weather threat across Central Alabama, beginning this afternoon and lasting through the early morning hours on Wednesday. So, what are we looking at today already? Well, currently we have a flash flood watch that is in effect this afternoon through Wednesday afternoon for generally the counties along and north of the I-85 corridor. The ground is very saturated from the rains that occurred on Monday, and any additional heavy rains could result in flash flooding. A wind advisory is also in effect for all of Central Alabama this afternoon through Wednesday night. Strong gusty winds not associated with the thunderstorms will be possible Tuesday night through Wednesday morning. As far as any tornado watches, currently there are none. However, they are expected this afternoon into tonight as the system begins to develop over the area. Here's the latest timing for the severe storms across Central Alabama. We could begin to see a few severe storms develop across the western and southwest counties as early as 4 p.m. But most of the severe storms aren't expected to develop until after sunset this evening. So for the western counties, we have a 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. for the best chance of severe storms, 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. along the I-65 corridor, then 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. for the eastern counties. We are expecting a broken line of storms to pass through the state during these times, with storms developing out ahead of the line that could contain tornadoes. The severe threat should end after 4 a.m. when the line pushes into Georgia. In addition, we will be watching the rainfall. We have had a good soaking during the day on Monday already, and an additional 1 to 2 inches could result in areas of flooding tonight through Wednesday. So here's the bottom line with this event. A surface low will rapidly deepen as it tracks across northern Mississippi and into western Tennessee. As the surface low lifts northeast tonight, a broken line of storms will track eastward across central Alabama, with storms developing out ahead of the line. The confidence for severe weather continues to remain fairly high as computer models have come into good agreement with the strength and track of the surface low. The main line will impact central Alabama tonight, but a few storms could develop ahead of the main line as early as 4 p.m. The severe threat will shift eastward overnight and last as late as 4 a.m. on Wednesday. All modes of severe weather are possible, including damaging straight-line winds, tornadoes, and large hail. Again, the best chance for those severe storms will be across the southern half of central Alabama. However, there is still a high chance at seeing severe weather all the way to Birmingham and up to Hamilton. Want to emphasize that you need to have more than one way to receive weather alerts. The severe threat will primarily be tonight into the overnight, so be sure to have something that would wake you up if a warning is issued for your area. A NOAA weather radio is a perfect tool for your use. We also need your help. If you have severe weather impact your area, when safe, report that to us. You can go to our webpage and submit reports, and we also have our social media feeds using hashtag ALWeather and hashtag BMXWeather. Thanks for viewing this briefing. Be advised that threat areas and impacts could change over the next 24 hours, so check our website and social media feeds for the latest information. Our web address is at the bottom of the page. You can also give us a call here at the office.